Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to get set up inside of Codepen.io, which is where we are going to be writing JavaScript. You can also use HTML there. We're not going to dive too hard into that, but this is a nice little area to write code without having to set up anything too crazy on your desktop. You can just go to Codepen.io, make an account, and then go ahead and start a new pen, right? Which should be one of the first options you see. You're going to start the new pen, and you're going to come to here. Then what you're going to want to do is just move your screen out to where you have this section right here is where the code actually displays, right? Anything that's visual right here. And then over on the left hand side, you're going to want to click the box for console because we will be using that quite a bit. Other than that, make the JavaScript box big. You can slide the CSS box down, right? Because we're going to be writing some JavaScript in here, and then we're going to be viewing what the results are in the console, and then ultimately displaying them in an actual web document, an HTML document right here. So go ahead and get that set up. Get this basic HTML set up right here. It's just a HTML body with a script tag in it, and you're good to go. So that's all you need to do to set up. So go ahead and do that, and you'll be ready for the next video in this series.